in the tiered system in central and southern Hebei province, while in neighbouring Shanxi Province, pollutant levels is just one notch down, where the authorities have issued a yellow warning for the heavy smog, as it also plagues other parts like the Chinese capital, Beijing, Tianjin municipality, and Henan province. This year, thick and hazardous smog have affected 17 provinces and municipalities. Facing this lingering crisis, China plans to build a nationwide network within 3 to 5 years to monitor the impact of pollution on health.